Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to install a water separator on an air compressor. So you're going to need your water separator, your air fittings, whatever size fittings you're using on your hoses. I have a little bit of a jumbled mix here, but that's okay. I'm working with what I got. So to start, you're going to want to wrap your fittings with Teflon tape, install them onto the water separator, and then next we'll mount it on the wall. Now you don't need a whole ton of this stuff. I bought this on Amazon, and you're definitely going to want your own Teflon tape if you buy it on Amazon, because their stuff is garbage. There you go. Now we're going to mount it on the wall. As you can see, I've drawn a line so I can keep myself level here. Okay, so now we're going to add our first section of hose. Eventually I will make this smaller, but I'm just working with what I have around the shop. My apologies. And there you have it. We have air. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.